Hey, welcome back to Project 38. Ranger Sprocket here. Today we're working on a GMC Terrain 2016, and we think we have a ball joint going bad on this side. I think it's this side. It's hard to tell. Low speed, parking lot speeds. You can hear a rattling. And so I'm going to show you how to diagnose it, and if it's bad, I'm going to show you how to replace it. So stick around. We'll show you how. Okay, we've got it up on the jack here just a little bit. Got it raised up off the ground about 2 inches. Just want to stick a bar under here. I want to raise that up a little bit more. Nothing I can hear, but I can feel it. Let's go top and bottom. I'm going to pull the hub off, get the wheel off. We'll take a look at it, see what's going on. I've got this off. I don't think it's the ball joint. I think it's the stabilizer link right here. So you've got your sway bar that comes all the way across the car. Then you've got this bone that comes up right here. And I think it's right here on the end. Listen here if you can hear it. I would imagine inside the car that sounds just like what we hear. It's not taking very much pressure to do that. So I think it's going to be the sway bar link. So I'm going to look the part up. See, $45. O'Reilly's has it. It's in stock. $45. Man, I just about wailed that. I'm kidding. Okay, what we're going to do is take this sway bar link off. We have a 18 millimeter sized nut right here, and right inside this hole is a 6 millimeter Allen head. So we have one here and one down here. So we hold this and turn that. Big Hoss is going to demonstrate. Okay, got an 18 millimeter, got a 6 millimeter hex head. They're going to be tight. There we go. We'll back this all the way out, then we'll move down to the next one. Okay, we've moved to the bottom. We'll back this one all the way out, and we'll show you what's next. Okay, we got the link out of here. Big Hoss is going to demonstrate. See how that's wiggling there? See that? There's no wiggle. See, so the reason we want to change these out early, because they will get so bad that while you're driving they can break, and if it's the top or the bottom, the top will break out and it can turn around this way and puncture your tire. Your sway bar link in a turn can drop down, drop out, get caught on your linkage, can cause major problems, and we don't want to have major problems. So while we find an issue now and early, we want to address it. The longer you let something go, the worse it becomes. So we want to do this. I appreciate Big Hoss here helping me out on this one today. So we'll put the other one back. We'll show you how. Here's how you put it back in. Now, when you took this out, the sway bar link comes up, so you need to compress that. So just reach in there with a bar, put some tension on that. See how that's wiggling? Okay. Put it down in the bottom. Line it up on top, put some pressure down on that. It'll bring it right in. Ease up just a touch. There we go. Okay, procedure is put the top nuts back on, hold them with that. Top bolts to 65 foot-pounds, bottom bolts to 55 foot-pounds. Okay, probably not 100% necessary. We're going to put some white lithium on the threads, top and bottom. Okay, we'll spin those back on. And we always like to do the hard one first. Okay, top bolt torques 65 pounds. Okay, it's in, everything's torqued to spec. Hoss is going to wiggle the bar right there. No noise. So we fixed it. So what we'll do is we'll get the tire back on the wheel, get it off, take it for a test drive, make sure it's good. Hey, so we appreciate you stopping by for this little project. Maybe this will help you out. That's our intention. We just want to help you out along this way. It's a pilgrim's way, and just want to encourage you that the Lord's coming back. We've entered into the Christmas season. The day of filming this is December the 9th. Big Hoss's birthday. Happy birthday, Big Hoss.
Appreciate you.
And so I love my 19-year-old awful well. Appreciate him jumping in here to help me out. He's a big help to me. About this time a couple years ago, I fell and broke my back. Had surgery, had rods and pins put in, and been having a lot of difficulty. I think I might have made mention to that in one of my other videos, but went and had x-rays yesterday done from my surgeon, and the 2 lower screws in my back are broke in half. So I'm facing another surgery. In the days ahead, Big Hoss will probably be the one doing the work, and I'll be the man behind the camera. So we do appreciate you for that. But pray for me, pray for my family, pray for our business, that the Lord will help us during this time. I'll have about a 6 months downtime. So we pray for us. We pray for you here at Project 38, Ranger Sprocket. We'll see you next time.